Hello, efficiency enthusiasts, and welcome back to ERV's Essence of Wellness podcast. I'm Spencer Stein, your host, and today we're diving into a topic that is crucial in both our personal and professional lives: mastering change communication, tips for success. In this episode, we're going to explore the art and science behind effective change communication. Whether you're leading a team through a transition, navigating personal life changes, or looking to better manage change within your community, understanding how to communicate effectively during these times is key. First up, we'll discuss the importance of change communication. It's the foundation for any successful transition, ensuring that everyone involved understands what's happening, why it's happening, and how it will impact them. Next, we'll move on to building trust and transparency. Trust is the cornerstone of any relationship, and transparency during times of change is critical to maintaining that trust. We'll share strategies for keeping communication open and honest. Then we'll talk about engaging stakeholders effectively. Whether it's employees, family members, or community stakeholders, engagement is crucial. We'll delve into how to ensure stakeholders are not only informed, but are also part of the change process. Following that, we'll dive into crafting clear and consistent messages. Clarity and consistency prevent misunderstandings and keep everyone on the same page. We'll discuss how to craft messages that resonate and reassure. Lastly, we'll cover feedback and continuous improvement. Change is a process, not an event. We'll explore the importance of soliciting feedback and how it can be used to refine and improve ongoing change efforts. At ERV, we believe in empowering our listeners with the tools they need to successfully navigate life's changes. So, whether you're looking to improve how you communicate change in your organization or in your personal life, this episode is packed with valuable insights and tips. Thank you for joining us on ERV's Essence of Wellness podcast. Let's master the art of change communication together. Think you've got change communication all figured out? Think again. Mastering change communication requires more than just sending out a few emails or holding a quick meeting. It's about strategically crafting your message, engaging with your audience, and navigating through uncertainty with finesse. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets to successful change communication that will set you apart in today's dynamic work environment. Importance of change communication. Why is change communication crucial in the process of implementing effective change management strategies? Employee engagement plays a significant role in the success of any change initiative. When employees feel informed and involved in the process, they are more likely to embrace the change rather than resist it. Change readiness is another key aspect to consider. Effective communication can help employees understand the reasons behind the change and prepare them for what is to come. A well-thought-out communication strategy is essential for ensuring that the right message is delivered to the right people at the right time. Clear and consistent communication can alleviate uncertainties and fears that often accompany change. Leadership alignment is vital in driving change within an organization. When leaders effectively communicate the vision and goals of the change, employees are more likely to follow suit. Moreover, change communication can facilitate a cultural shift within the organization. By openly discussing the reasons for change and how it aligns with the company's values, employees can see the bigger picture and understand their role in the transformation. This transparency fosters trust and encourages collaboration, ultimately leading to a smoother transition. Building trust and transparency. To foster a culture of trust and transparency during change initiatives, it is imperative to establish open channels of communication that prioritize honesty and clarity. Building relationships is at the core of this process. By engaging with your team openly and honestly, you can create an environment where trust can flourish. Enhancing communication through regular updates, feedback sessions, and one-on-one conversations can help dispel uncertainties and build stronger connections. Establishing credibility is vital for trust to take root. Leaders must demonstrate competence, integrity, and consistency in their actions and words. Being transparent about the reasons behind changes and the expected outcomes can help in this regard. Promoting openness by encouraging questions, addressing concerns, and being receptive to feedback can further strengthen trust within the team. Fostering collaboration is key to building trust during times of change. By involving team members in decision-making processes, seeking their input, and valuing their contributions, you can create a sense of ownership and shared responsibility. This collaborative approach not only enhances trust, but also paves the way for a smoother transition. Embrace these strategies, and you will lay a solid foundation of trust and transparency within your team, enabling them to navigate change with confidence. Engaging stakeholders effectively. When engaging stakeholders effectively during change initiatives, prioritize clear and consistent communication channels to ensure alignment and understanding. Stakeholder buy-in is crucial for the success of any change initiative. To achieve this, leverage various communication strategies such as town hall meetings, one-on-one sessions, and interactive workshops to actively engage stakeholders at all levels. By fostering active engagement, you can address concerns in real time, gather feedback, and build a sense of involvement among stakeholders. Cultural alignment plays a significant role in engaging stakeholders effectively. Tailor your communication approach to resonate with the cultural norms and values of your audience. This cultural sensitivity demonstrates respect and fosters better reception of the proposed changes. Additionally, proactively identify and address sources of resistance to change. Resistance management involves listening attentively to concerns, providing transparent information, and involving key stakeholders in the decision-making process. Crafting clear and consistent messages. Craft your change management messages with clarity and consistency to ensure understanding and alignment among stakeholders. When crafting messages, it is crucial to consider the audience understanding to tailor the content to their needs and preferences. By doing so, you can effectively convey the necessary information in a way that resonates with the recipients. Aim for message alignment across all communication channels to prevent confusion and mixed signals among stakeholders. Consistency in your messaging helps build trust and credibility, fostering a sense of reliability in the information being shared. Utilize various communication channels to reach different stakeholder groups effectively. Whether it's through email updates, virtual meetings, or printed materials, make sure the messages are consistent across all platforms. Providing timely updates is essential to keep stakeholders informed of any progress or changes promptly. This helps in maintaining transparency and managing expectations throughout the change process. Clarity in delivery is key to ensuring that the messages are easily understood by all stakeholders. Avoid using jargon or complex language that might create barriers to comprehension. Instead, strive for simplicity and straightforwardness in your communication. By crafting clear and consistent messages, you can facilitate smoother transitions and garner support from stakeholders as you navigate through the change process. Feedback and continuous improvement. For effective change management communication, prioritize feedback and continuous improvement to enhance stakeholder engagement and adaptability. Feedback loops are essential to gauge the effectiveness of your communication strategies. Encourage open dialogue where stakeholders feel comfortable sharing their thoughts. Actively listen to their feedback and make adjustments accordingly. This not only fosters trust, but also ensures that your messages resonate with the audience. Continuous learning is key to improvement strategies. Embrace a growth mindset where you view challenges as opportunities for development. Encourage employees to engage in ongoing training to enhance their skills and adapt to change more effectively. By fostering a culture of continuous learning, you create a workforce that is agile and open to new ideas. Utilize various communication tools to gather feedback and facilitate continuous improvement. Surveys, focus groups, and one-on-one meetings are effective ways to collect insights from stakeholders. Use this data to refine your communication approach and address any gaps. By leveraging technology and innovative platforms, you can streamline feedback processes and make improvements in real time. Employee engagement is crucial in the feedback and continuous improvement loop. Involve employees in decision-making processes and value their input. When employees feel heard and see that their feedback leads to positive changes, they become more invested in the change process. This engagement fosters a sense of ownership and commitment to the organization's goals. Here are a few frequently asked questions. How can change communication be tailored to different stakeholder groups? With varying levels of engagement. Tailor messaging to different stakeholder groups by using engagement strategies that align with their levels of involvement. Utilize various communication channels to reach each group effectively and continuously improve based on feedback for better engagement. What are some common pitfalls to avoid when trying to build trust and transparency during times of change? When aiming to build rapport during change, avoid common pitfalls by fostering transparency, maintaining credibility, addressing concerns promptly, and earning trust through consistent communication. These steps help navigate challenges and strengthen relationships with stakeholders. How can organizations effectively engage remote or dispersed stakeholders in change initiatives? Engage remote stakeholders in change initiatives by hosting virtual workshops, providing video updates, facilitating online forums, conducting interactive webinars, and sending remote surveys. Utilize these tools to ensure effective communication and collaboration. What strategies can be used to ensure that messages are clear and consistent? Across different communication channels. Craft your messages like threads weaving through a tapestry. Align them across channels for consistency. Tailor each strand to engage stakeholders effectively. Utilize feedback loops to refine and ensure clear, uniform communication. How can feedback from stakeholders be leveraged to drive continuous improvement in change communication efforts? To drive continuous improvement in change communication efforts, leverage stakeholder feedback for insight. Analyze feedback for communication strategy enhancement. Engage stakeholders for transparency building and trust cultivation. Consistently review and adapt communication channels to ensure message consistency and effectiveness. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of change communication. By embracing active listening, transparency, and engaging stakeholders, you've built a solid foundation for success. Remember, communication is the key to navigating challenges and leading your team to victory. Keep sharpening your skills, and you'll continue to shine like a beacon of light in times of change. Keep striving for excellence, and watch your efforts blossom like a flower in full bloom. As we wrap up another episode of ERV's Essence of Wellness podcast, I want to thank you, our dedicated efficiency enthusiasts, for joining us today. Remember, wellness is a journey, not a destination, and each step you take is a move towards a healthier, more fulfilled you. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and most importantly, stay efficient in your wellness pursuits. Join us again next time as we continue to explore and uncover the best practices for a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Until then, this is Spencer Stein signing off. Take care, embrace wellness in all its forms, and keep striving for those efficient results in every aspect of your life. Goodbye for now, and remember, the path to wellness is yours to walk, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.
Hey, efficiency enthusiasts. If you enjoyed the insights and inspiration from the Efficient Results Visionary Enterprise Essence of Wellness podcast, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share. Your support is crucial in helping us continue to provide great content. Let's spread the wellness journey together. Thank you for being a part of our community.